Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. I have to eat breakfast. It doesn't matter what time I get up, I have to eat breakfast every single day. I like my plantains semi-burnt, so this is intentional. Same oil, I'm gonna fry an egg. Adding pepper, I love pepper. Say black pepper mixed with salt. Look at this deliciousness. This looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat you. I have my Lipton tea here. Salt into this, just a little pepper, some black pepper, and lemon. Let's prepare the chicken. So as you can see, I need to cut these sections off. I'm gonna leave this overnight to marinate. This is one day after, so I took the wings from out of the gravy, so I'm gonna just add them to the oil right now. Remove these right now. Put them in this thing. If I had paprika, I would have added some paprika to this to give it color. But I don't got any. I have removed the oil from the pot and I have put the chicken back into the pot. So now I'm gonna add this spicy sauce to it. And just mix to ensure that everywhere has the sauce. I'm gonna leave this for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes on very low heat so that it can have a little buzz. This is my dinner. In the night I usually snack on something, so it depends on how hungry I am. It's about 11 p.m. right now. So I have many different types of cereals, but this is my favorite. So as you can see, this is the one that is almost finished. So when I'm eating cereal, I usually use almond milk, but if I don't feel for cereal, then I'll have like an instant yakisoba, or I'll have fruits or anything light. I don't usually eat that heavy after I have eaten lunch, and usually I eat lunch very late. I also have Jamaican beef patty for my Jamaican peeps. Yes, I got patty in Japan. Tonight I'm gonna have this cereal with almond milk. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. This is what I eat in a day. Very basic, very simple. I don't usually eat a lot, depending on how I feel, you know. So I have my moments when I eat like a whole bunch of stuff in one day, but usually this is how I eat, simple stuff. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you eat in a day in the comment section below. All right, bye guys.